Are all screenshot eating up stored on your Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let me show you a quick way to clean them up. To do so, go to setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find device care. Tap device care, and then tap storage. In the middle, you will see suggestion. One of them is deleting all screenshot files. Tap review all files. Select the screenshot you don't need anymore. Once you select them, the delete button will turn blue and show how much space you will save. Tap delete, and then tap delete again to confirm. As a note, once you tap a suggestion, it will disappear from the list even if you didn't delete anything, but it may show up again later. And that's it. This is especially helpful if you take lots of screenshots like receipt, memes, or chat that pile up without noticing. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.